Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, a new week, Monday, December the 6th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and I have not so good news. Two things are not so good. First, yeah, I will show you there are no extra Sudokus in this newspaper. So what I will do, there are no extra puzzles, no extra Sudokus, no additional. What I will do is I will continue with not with the last edition. The last edition is Saturday, and Saturday I have solved those puzzles on Saturday and Sunday. On Friday we have no extra puzzles. So on Friday I have solved the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. So the last edition left with puzzles is the edition of Wednesday, December the 1st. We have 3 puzzles left: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. That I will solve after this regular Sudoku. Medium Sudoku, and I've told you the 2 things. That was the first thing. The second thing is the news of today. I've heard the mother of our king in the Netherlands, yes, the former queen of the Netherlands, yes, Beatrix, yes, she's now Princess Beatrix, 83 years old, infected with corona. So, but it's getting well. She's getting well. So, anyway, that's the news of today. So let's continue with this medium Sudoku. This will be number 3786, I believe. Yes, 3786. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. So must be an easy one, because for a 28 printed digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, 50 minutes. And it's a 1 star. Yes, a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 2 in the first row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. The 1 in this last column, the 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, and I think I cannot continue with the 3. We need to wait. Wait. How about the number? The number, let me see which number can I pick. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the last row. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Right. Okay. So we have an 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay. These 3 boxes, one of the missing number is a 9. It's a 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the last row. 9 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 here. The only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. The 9 in the last column. The 9 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see. How about yeah. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. The middle column. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, so 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3. 8 in this column. Third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Okay. How about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column? So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, so 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The same digits, 4 and a 6, in this big square. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes. I need to solve this medium Sudoku. Is this really a medium? Well, it's easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star has 27 printed digits and this one has 28. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of a playlist. Playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus, for all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Oh yes, all the playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And later on in the evening, I will solve the other 3 puzzles in the edition of Wednesday, December the 1st. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.